As you may notice, now we have a lot of colors on the screen. When we want details, we may click on any of objects to get history of statuses nodes. For example, let's click on Marezige and we may see the history until now. On the screen you may see now graphic interface which was built on NetObjectNote platform. And this graphic interface is an interpretation of Chimney shop management. I will explain how to use this platform by creating exactly the same project from the scratch. But at first let me delete this project. I cannot delete the running project. Okay. I will switch to beer production line and again go on project window, click on archive and delete the project. Now I am ready to start with creation of a new project. I go to project window, click on add, and I will give name to the project. It will be Chimney shop management. Okay. Next step is now to define statuses. I will explain statuses later by also explaining how to use them. But I have to create them now. I click on status, create new status. The first one will be regular and it will be green. Next, ready. It will be light green. Next, send bill. It will be yellow. New one, bill sent. It will be orange. Not paying. It will be violet. Also problem. Red. And not at home. It will be blue. Any object in this project can have any of statuses which I have made. But let me go on. I will show you by examples later once I will create the objects how to change status to the objects. Objects of Chimney shop management are gonna to be chimneys. I will now create first object. But as chimney sweep works on specific territory, I will as first set a background image which I have made before with screen capture on Google Maps. Okay. And now I will begin with creation of objects and positioning of them around on background. objects can be of different shapes. I will choose circle for chimneys. First object will be I have to click on screen to position the object. Next one, I have to click on save. Let me check if everything is saved. These are some other projects. Let's go back to Chimney shop. Now I have all I need. Actually, what is missing is to show you how user can register and how to make partnerships. Also, as we have two partners here which are working in this project. Chimney3, which works around the region, and Secretary, which works from the office. We have objects now, so I may explain how change of status is performed in accordance with process development. First step in Chimney shop management has to do secretary once is set an appointment with client for chimney cleaning. When appointment is agreed, she changes status from regular to ready. For example, Marezige she will click on ready and write data and hour of cleaning. Chimney3 will notice while checking the platform that object Marezige has light green color now. He will click on status and he will see that work is set for 8 AM at Monday. Once he will clean the chimney, he will change color from ready to send bill. 100. Enter. Secretary will see the change and she will send bill . And if client will not pay, she will change status to not paying. I will change statuses of other chimneys also now to conclude with explanation of this platform use. As you may notice, now we have a lot of colors on the screen. It is because each chimney is different phase of process of cleaning. But when we want details, we may click on any of objects to get history of statuses notes. For example, let's click on Marezige and we may see the history until now. As I was not switching user from Chimney sweep to secretary, you may see all the time even as user. And you see also there are some objects of red and blue color which I did not mention before. Blue is status that they were not at home. So secretary has to send bill for costs of chimney sweep travelers for getting to location. And red is problem. If we want to check what was wrong, we click on status and we may see big dog. I believe you could recognize what benefit can you get from this platform. The philosophy behind this is SCADA, Managing of Industrial Systems. SCADA is acronym for Supervising and Data Acquisition. But here we have a much smaller tool, built with farmer logic to support anyone working with big set of elements with equal characteristics.